Sunshine. So today I'm going to be unboxing a new subscription box, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Enchantment Box. I had one of you guys reach out to me and tell me that you saw how much I love Quirky Crate and you recommended that I check out the Enchantment Box. Now I cannot remember what the price of this subscription box is off the top of my head, but I will leave that in the description box down below if you are interested. So I'm so excited to see what this is. I'm so excited to see what's in here. Okay, so I literally just opened this up, just cut off the tape and everything. I mean, the rest of the box, so the front of the box, I know you guys saw, had the unicorn, and then over here it says create your own fairy tale. I don't know if you guys can see that. Now you can. Okay, so then opening it up, I see some cute little flower petals. That's so cute. I've never seen a box do that. That is so cute. Okay, so this month's theme is star-crossed lovers. Okay, and then I also see a little card here that says, it's a little cow with the flowers. Oh, it's so cute. A portion of the proceeds from your enchantment box went towards helping farm animals like Cornelius Cotton Lashes at Enchanted Farm Sanctuary. That is so cute. I love it when subscription boxes put these little tidbits in here. It makes me feel like such a good human being, like buying things for myself to somehow help somebody else. It just makes me feel good. Okay, so here is the card. I don't want to look at it. I don't even really remember what this box is about. I just had one of you guys go, hey, try this out. I was like, okay, yes. I love it when you guys send me suggestions. Okay, so we got the flower petals, we got red and green snakes, and I'm just gonna move everything aside and I'm gonna throw it away. Okay, so here's what the rest of the box looks like. I got another card here. Is that attached? No, that's attached to something. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pull out. The first thing that I'm pulling out is a constellation of star essence, flower and gemstones essence, radiant sensuality, love charm. What is this? Okay, it says 4 to 7 drops on or under the tongue in water in the bath or as guided by your own divine director. Okay, so here's what that looks like. I'm so interested. I can't wait to read the card and see what that says. I'm not gonna consume this. I have so many allergies, so until I read the card, I'm not gonna consume this, but it just smells like, it just really smells like water. Like, it kind of smells like lemony water. Like, that's kind of what I'm getting. It says an infusion of starflower and gem essences. Okay, okay, what is this? Oh, I'm really excited where this is going. Oh, what? Pause. Hold up. I was so excited to get in this box. Now that I know what's in there, I'm gonna make you guys wait a second. Okay, so it says Rogue, and then I don't know what that is supposed to be. And then on the back, we got some hands and we got some constellations, and they're like in a magic ball. And this is, I can't pronounce it. I'm not even try. It says the oldest stories are written in the stars. Okay. Guess what? It's lashes, guys. Oh my god, I can't even wait. It's lashes. I just dropped the little card, but that is so freaking cute. This little card says, you're a dreamer, a doer, and a thinker. You see possibility everywhere. It's like a Chinese fortune cookie. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, okay, lashes are great. I love lashes. I need to be careful with my hand movements. Why don't more subscription boxes why don't I get lashes in all of my subscription boxes? I'm so happy with the packaging. And then it has like the name of the lashes on the back. Next thing that I'm pulling out is this Fair Verona, Fresh Roses, True Love, and Tragedy. Is it a candle? Oh, yep, it's a candle. I got a candle. Oh, it has like a floral scent to it, which I'm not too fond of. I personally I like sweet scents. Like, I like vanilla. I don't really like floral too much, but this candle itself is super, super cute. And I like the packaging, and I love how everything is like matching in this theme right now. Okay, I'm now pulling out this Take a Ride with Queen Mab bath bomb, the Paisley Mermaid. It's from an Etsy store. Yes, look how cute this bath bomb is. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we got a bath bomb in here. Next, I can't wait to see what this is. This is giant. Oh, it's a little cosmetic bag. Okay, wait, there's something in there. So here's the cosmetic bag, and then there's something else in here. Okay. I freaking love pins. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is a cool pin. Oh my god. It says, I think it says, I defy your stars. I'm not, that's really tiny writing. I defy your, I mean, that's what it looks like. I know you guys probably can't see that because my camera's not that great, but oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my gosh. Okay, can you guys see the red glitter in that heart? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I love that pin. I'm so pumped right now. Okay, the last thing I'm pulling out of here is this one Snow Magic Premium Biocellulose Sheet Mask. It's Radiance. Okay, okay. I actually really like the mix in this box. It's kind of it's like Quirky Crate, but if you had a beauty version of Quirky Crate. Like I get Quirky Crate because I get the handbag and I love the pin. But then we also have some like self-care mixed in there with the candle and the sheet mask and the bath bomb. I'm actually more impressed with this box than I thought I was going to be. I love the pin. I love the packaging for these lashes. I like the, there's not anything in here that I dislike. I'm just a little bit confused about this elixir, but everything really honestly went together. This was a pretty impressive box, especially for being on the smaller side. I haven't heard about it until one of you guys recommended it to me, but overall I'm actually pretty impressed with this box and excited about it. I like the mix of like quirkiness, not quirkiness, but like the fun flair that you get with the pin and everything like that, mixed with self-care and beauty. So that is everything in today's enchantment box. I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. What did you think of this box? Do you want to see another unboxing on my channel of this enchantment box? I would love to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.